Hey guys, welcome back to a new Clockwork Tech video. I'm sorry for another rebrand. I used to be Foxo Creates, but alright, well, so we have a new video. It's an unboxing. On what? My new phone. So I'm using a OnePlus right now, and I just got this 14 Apple. Let's open it up. Wow, that looks beautiful. I got it in the midnight color, so it is sort of bluish. We don't get SIM pin anymore because it's eSIM, but we get an Apple sticker. We get an Apple sticker and how to set up eSIM. And we get a charger. So now let's flip over the phone. Let's listen to the peel. I don't know if that picked up on my microphone, but oh well. And now let's turn it on. Wow. Alrighty, well, this is a very short YouTube video. Hope you guys have a great day, and peace out.